Millions of Americans are now raiding their retirement account just to survive. New data shows 401k hardship withdrawals have hit record levels. Around 6% of workers have pulled money from their retirement accounts as of last year. Just a few years ago, it was closer to only 2%. People are using their retirement money to cover rent, medical bills, groceries, and even credit card payments. But every withdrawal today can cost tens of thousands of dollars in retirement. And here's the scary part. This trend is growing very fast. For more information on how you can get your debt under control, visit www.thecreditrepairshop.com.